guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to the most requested video on my channel. You guys were asking me to do my skincare routine. You wanted me to share my skincare routine with you all. So I have already shared my morning skincare routine, and now I'm gonna share my nighttime skincare routine, and third video you're gonna see is my weekly skincare routine, the day when I do my chemical exfoliation and all. So if you have seen my morning skincare routine, you guys know I use sunscreen in the daytime. So of course I need to get rid of that first, okay? But let's get rid of these hairs first. This one, so that हमारे जो बाल हैं वो फेस पे ना रहे, and I think light is pretty good. So on usual days जब मैं chemical exfoliation नहीं करती हूँ, उस दिन like I don't use any cleansing balm, and especially जब makeup on नहीं होता है तो मैं cleansing balm use नहीं करती हूँ. And अभी I just have this of course sunscreen है और this काजल है, बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. So I thought कि I'm gonna do with this one. But generally जब मेकअप होता है या काजल वगैरह लगा होता है ना, तो I prefer to use cleansing balms over micellar water. But today I'm gonna use this micellar water. I have found this the best for sensitive skin types. Like you guys know, currently I was acting oily as well, and my skin was very sensitive. And since I have started using this one now, my skin feels really good. So I just take it on normal cotton and then I just wipe. Just look at this dust, man, kitni dust hai. So I was out and I was doing all that house ka shifting wala process. If you guys following my vlogs, you guys know that I have shifted to a new city, and abhi saman aaya hai and we are just getting settled down. But अभी प्रॉपरली सामान सेट नहीं हुआ है, ओके? एंड इफ आई हैव एनीथिंग लेफ्ट, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई मूव टुवर्ड्स माय आईज, ओके? एंड आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट सफिशिएंट बिकॉज इट्स ऑलमोस्ट फुल, बट लेट्स ट्राई. मैं इसको इससे रिमूव कर रही हूँ बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वाटर प्रूफ. ये मेबलिन का जो जेल काजल है वो है, तो ये बहुत आराम से निकल जाता है. बट अगर यहाँ पे वाटर प्रूफ होता ना तो फिर मैं क्लेंजिंग बाम ही यूज़ करती इसके लिए. बट यू सी काफ़ी अच्छे से निकाल रहा है ये. ओके, सो जस्ट टू बी श्योर आई एम टेकिंग ऑन न्यू कॉटन पैड, ओके? आई एम गोना जस्ट वाइप इट ऑफ. Right, so we are done, and after this I wash my face with the plain water because it's micellar water and you should rinse it off. And second step, I use a foaming face wash, and I have a 2 to 3 face wash which I love, but currently I'm using this Face Shop ka the rice water cleanser. I love this one because it's very creamy and ये बहुत अच्छे से फोम बनती है और बहुत अच्छे से आपको एक स्क्वीकी क्लीन वाला फील देता है विदाउट ड्राइंग आउट योर स्किन, विच इज अ प्लस. सो आई मसाज इट ऑन माई फेस फॉर एट लीस्ट अ मिनट, like 60-second method. People say use gentle cleansers, like after you done the like if you do double cleansing then use gentle cleanser. But for me, see, skincare is very subjective, okay? I forgot to give the disclaimer. So skincare is pretty subjective, and every products work differently on different people. But for me, see, in last 2 years I have tried each and every way, but this is the way which works for me. Like these foaming cleansers work better for me. So yeah, like morning I use, if you have seen my morning skincare routine, you know, right? So morning we prefer gentle cleanser, and for the night I prefer a foaming cleanser because that give me the feel of proper cleaning, okay? So सबका अलग-अलग हो सकता है, मेरा यही है. So yeah, we are done. Now I'm gonna wash it off. For washing it, I am using this Earth Rhythm का cleansing pad, generally for my neck, because इससे क्या होता है ना, कपड़े नहीं गंदे होते हैं. So एक बार किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि ये जो cleansing pad है इसका कोई और काम भी है या नहीं. So guys, I am using it continuously since I have got this one just to remove my this face wash. And if you have applied any face mask, ये वो बहुत अच्छे से निकाल देता है, पानी कम लगता है, लाइक आपके कपड़े कम गीले होते हैं. अदरवाइज जब मैं इससे पहले जब मैं वॉश करती थी ना, तो उसके बाद जब मैं निकलती थी तो मुझे ये कहते थे कि तुम नहा के आ गई हो. So yeah, one more time. Okay, and now I'm gonna splash some more water. Pat it. Okay, you can see my skin is pretty clean, right? This I spray rose water, and currently I'm using this Wilba rose water. It's a really good rose water, and I have already done with a video like best and worst rose water. या तो आप अभी तक देख चुके हो, और अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो भी आपको वो दिखने वाली है. सो उसमें मैंने बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट रोज वाटर का आपको पूरा एक वीडियो बना के दिया है. So yeah, now I'm gonna let it sink into my skin completely. Okay, once my rose water is completely absorbed, I'm gonna use this toner. This one is a Cosrx का Propolis Synergy toner. I have recently started using this one, and it's a really good toner if you really wanted to invest in a toner, because it's very hydrating and moisturizing. Because see, I just take 2 to 3 drops and that's more than sufficient for you. It gives you instant hydration and that moisturizing wala feel. But you guys know I don't recommend toners and essence, and I always say that these are just extra. Like if you wanted to give that boost of extra hydration and extra nourishment, you can add these up, but I personally feel these are extra. Okay, but yes, I'm going extra currently, so yeah, that's why I'm using this one. And after toner I'm using this essence. Like it's an extra step. Sometime I don't use it because I'm already done with the rose water and the toner, so generally I skip. But as I said, I am currently on move, like I am on traveling, तो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा dryness हो गया, so that's why I'm using it. Otherwise I don't use it daily. Okay, it's a really good product. Like I love Cosrx products, and it definitely help in regenerating your skin. आपके texture को better बनाता है, and definitely अंदर से एक healthy kind of a glow आपको feel होता है. वो thing like जो मैं करती हूँ, and ये आपको भी करना चाहिए basically, कि जब भी आप एक step से दूसरे step में जाते हो तो at least wait for a minute, right? So let that product completely sink into your skin. Okay, जब आपको लगे कि हाँ अब आपको कुछ feel नहीं हो रहा है, like see I still can feel the essence. So once it's completely absorbed, then move towards the next step. Okay, I'm gonna use the serum, and I'm using this Earth Rhythm का 10% niacinamide. You guys know I have loved the previous version, मेरा खत्म हो चुका है. So ये इनका new जो इन्होंने रीवैम्प किया है अपने ब्रांड को, तो ये वो नया वाला है. सो करंटली आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. आई एम सून गोना मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस वन एज वेल कि ये वाला कैसा है, बिकॉज पहले वाले का तो मैंने रिव्यू शेयर किया हुआ है आप लोगों के साथ. सो अभी आई एम टेस्टिंग इट आउट. आई एम सून गोना मेक अ रिव्यू वीडियो ऑफ दिस वन एज वेल. आई जस्ट लव दिस niacinamide serum from Earth Rhythm. I found it the best because it has ceramide, it has hyaluronic acid, and of course niacinamide. And I just press it so that ये अच्छे से skin में absorb हो जाए. After serum, I'm using this Phytoceramide Deep Moisturizer. I love this ceramide moisturizer. It's really good. इससे पहले वाला था वो मतलब उसमें स्मेल बहुत अजीब सी थी. So I don't know, maybe उसी प्रोडक्ट में इशू था. But this one has no fragrance and I like it. It's really moisturizing and it's working really fine on my skin. So yeah. Okay, so currently I'm not using any eye cream. I'm using this Squalane from the Be Minimalist, and this has been working really well. You can see I'm all the way half. I generally take 1 to 3 drops of this one, sometimes 4 or 5, and I just take this 1 drop under my eyes like this, and little bit here. Okay, and rest I just massage and just simply dab. Next, I have recently started doing this, and that's this Guasa ritual. Okay, and it's been a month and a half since I've started doing this. So if I include this whole thing ना, तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा ना. Already I can see वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो रहा है. So now I'm gonna perform my guasa, and if you're interested to see this individual video kind of a thing, like how I perform my guasa, so you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I don't know ki it has some benefits for the skin or not, but after performing guasa I really get sleepy, and that's the best sign. Like जितना भी पूरे दिन का टेंशन थकान होता है ना, वो सब निकल जाता है एंड बहुत अच्छे से नींद आती है. सो दैट आई कैन से कि अगर इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज बीन इन स्ट्रेस और सोने में इशू होता है या कुछ भी है, तो यू कैन गेट guasa. You can start doing guasa ritual. It definitely gonna help you out. And if you wanted to see how I perform my guasa, like a proper routine, then I can do a dedicated video towards this one. Now after this I need to calm down my skin. As you can see, I have this redness here, so I'm gonna use this rose quartz roller. All right. Okay, next I'm gonna apply lip balm, and currently I'm using this Juicy Chemistry ka rose and fig lip balm. So you can see I'm almost all the way half, and I am going to share my review super soon. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Second last step, I have a spot correction. People used to ask me कि आप ये क्या लगाते हो for your spot correction. आपका मैजिक प्रोडक्ट क्या है, आप क्या लगाते हो? So कोई मैजिक प्रोडक्ट नहीं है guys. I use this Himalaya neem pack and this works really well. Like if you have active bump ना, तो आप उस पर अगर इसको लगा के इसको ओवरनाइट छोड़ दोगे ना, तो ये कम्प्लीटली उस एक्ने को बिल्कुल एकदम से ना ड्राई कर देता है एंड बम्प उठता नहीं है. बट हाँ, ये है कि अगर उठ चुका है तो उसको बैठा देता है, बट इट डजंट वर्क ऑन मार्क्स. सो आई कांट रियली गारंटी कि ये मार्क्स पे काम करेगा या नहीं. बट हाँ, इफ़ यू फील स्मॉल जिट, और अगर आप इसको उसी टाइम पे लगा लोगे ना, तो वो जिट बढ़ता नहीं है, लाइक पिंपल बड़ा नहीं होता. सो आई लव दिस वन. दिस वर्क्स रियली वेल फॉर मी. एंड लास्ट स्टेप विल बी हैंड क्रीम और बॉडी लोशन. आई लव दिस Aveeno moisturizing lotion. This one is really good for extremely dry skin. Like if you have dry hands, dry body, you can use it anywhere. Like it's so nourishing. Even the Cetaphil moisturizing cream is really good, and I just love this one. Like you can use it on your face as well if you have extremely dry skin. So I love this one. So that's my last step. So yeah, that's my skin. You can have a close look. I just love how my skin looks currently. It's super juicy, super glowy, except these acne marks. इस साइड को तो काफ़ी अच्छे से फेड अवे हो रहे हैं. इधर कुछ बच गए हैं, वो भी फेड अवे हो जाएंगे. But no worries, nobody is perfect. And yeah, that's my skin. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, give this one a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in my next weekly skincare video. Till then, take care and stay beautiful and have a happy skin. Bye bye.